Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your buddy Ben, aka the Fat Kid Deuce, and today we're doing another unboxing. I'm really excited to introduce you to the BMAX X15. Come on, let's check it out and see what it can do. We're unboxing a BMAX 15.6-inch laptop. This is going to cost you about $320 on Amazon. Got an i7 Intel Celeron processor, 128 gigabyte SSD. There we go. Nice little box. BMAX laptops. Boop. Here we go. BMAX X15 laptop computer. Intel Gemini Lake N4120 processor, 8 gigabytes LPDDR4 memory, 128 gigabytes high-speed SSD, 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 IPS display. Cool. Everybody, you know how much I just love opening boxes to get more boxes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. This looks like it's probably the power cord and everything. So check this out. It's got a variety of different power plugs depending on what region you're from. Boop. Boop. So this looks like it's like DC voltage, AC voltage, and then this is what they use in the United Kingdom. Yeah, so you see, this is your power adapter right here. You just take whichever one of these adapters you need and bada boom, bada bang. So I'll show you that again. There's this little part right here. You're going to push down on that, get the grooves all lined up, and then lock it in place. And you're ready to power your cord. Alright, boom. Okay, here we go. Boop. This is the warranty card. Warranty rules. Yeah, very cool. It's got it in a bunch of different languages because this is a laptop that they're trying to make that'll do well in all global markets. So it'll do the jobs you need it to do without breaking the bank. There's our USB. We got a DC and an HDMI. On the other side, a micro SD, a headphone jack, and then a USB. So let's go ahead and power BMAX on. Plug them in, see what happens. It's definitely powering on. Now I just have to figure out how to get this. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's too bad. I kind of liked it. So, this is a very nice looking model. I'm going to say that right off the bat. I like the gunmetal. I personally really enjoy their BMAX logo. For some reason, I'm just thinking Transformers all day. It's got a really big touchpad. I don't know if you need a touchpad this big, but you've got a touchpad this big. It's a very compact, nice looking keyboard. This is all QWERTY. And here we are. We are into the home screen. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, let's take a look around.
Enemy contact.
Well, that was delightful. I don't know how you felt about it, but I enjoyed making it. Seriously, for 320 bucks, this laptop can do a lot of the things that I like to do. Honestly, whenever I get any type of electronic, I'm like, can it play games? I'm not one of those guys who's like, can it play Doom? But we're going to find out if it can play Doom. Yeah, that's definitely going to be in our next batch of tests. So check back in with us. I want to give you my honest to God feelings about this laptop. The things I like about it, maybe the things that I don't like about it, and we'll go from there. First off, there's not much to not like about this. This is a really nice looking laptop. Like it comes packaged really, really coolly. It's a real presentation type of thing when you get it. You know, it's a nice little briefcase that you pop open, and then it's in like a book box that you take it out of, and it's got its own sleeve on. It's got the plastic stuff on the back. I wonder, yeah, it's still got the plastic stuff on the bottom too. Ha! Just plastic everywhere. I like it. So they take a lot of care and consideration with how they package it to get it to you, and I really appreciate that. Things that I don't like about it, it's only got 2 USB slots, and I prefer to have a bigger hard drive on it. 128 gigabytes seems a little bit soft starting out. However, I've loaded 8 games essentially, and a couple of other programs, and I still have about 10 or 15 gigabytes left. Now, what am I going to use this for? Here's what I'm going to use it for. This is going to be my on-the-go laptop. BMAX and me are just going to go around places and get drive-through and do work on the road. That's what's going to happen. Our good friend Dylan has a really great video on this as well, and he knows how to upgrade this laptop. So Dylan's familiarity with this model is really going to benefit me in the long run. I'm going to take off all the gaming programs. We're going to upgrade the hard drive, or we might just use an external hard drive for the majority of our files. I'll tell you what, this is my first model that's got a micro SD card reader. I freaking love it, man. Anything that I need to copy to that thing is done in like a minute flat. It is so quick. It makes working with my Toshiba seem and feel ancient. And I'll tell you what, it's a really quick little laptop for, 320 bucks. I mean, you really can't beat that. It's like chugging through most of the tests. And honestly, when I was asking it to game, it was doing pretty well for the most part until I started the capture function. And guys, if you didn't know that you could capture footage on your laptop through Windows 10, it's alternate Windows button record. It's the coolest thing, man. No need for a capture card. Like you don't have to download any of the OBS broadcaster streaming software. You can if you plan to stream with it. I don't know if we can stream with this computer. We'll check that one out too. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you sitting and taking a watch and getting to know BMAX a little bit. And hey, if you like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help our channel grow. We're going to have more content like this on the way. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.